Unit 731 was a secret division of the Imperial Japanese Army that operated from 1930 to 1945. Mainly in occupied Manchuria, it was involved in the development of biological and chemical weapons, and to this end conducted human experiments that are now recognized as war crimes and crimes against humanity. In short, what kind of experiments did they conduct on people? Biological experiments. Deliberate infection with plague, cholera, anthrax, typhus, dysentery, etc. Studying the course of diseases without treatment in order to observe the pure dynamics. Spreading infections through contaminated water, food, and fleas. Experiments with extreme conditions. Frostbite. Limbs were frozen and various methods of thawing were tested. Overheating and dehydration. Placement in pressure chambers. Sudden pressure changes. Surgical and physiological experiments. Vivisection. Operations on living people without anesthesia, so as not to distort the results. Removal of organs to study their functioning. Transfusion of animal blood to humans. Injections of toxins and chemicals. Weapons testing. Testing the effects of grenades, flamethrowers, and chemical gases on humans. Tying people to poles to assess the radius of damage. Reproductive and genetic experiments. Forced infection of pregnant women. Observation of disease transmission to the fetus. Rape for scientific purposes, to spread infections. Who were the victims? Mostly Chinese civilians, but also Koreans, Mongolians, Soviet prisoners of war, and others. The prisoners were called logs, maryuta, to completely dehumanize them. After the war, many leaders of the unit avoided punishment, receiving immunity from the US in exchange for research results. In Japan, the topic was long hushed up. Official acknowledgments appeared only decades later.